5 years ago, when starting KAM, I saw that we were on the precipice of an exciting digital transformation, and I wanted our team to be part of the solution for customers who faced hard challenges in part production. Since then, we have seen 3D printed parts in space, air, sea, and supporting our warfighters in the field. It is our continued commitment to you, our customer, to operate at the highest level of quality, integrity, and trust, providing innovative manufacturing solutions for the most challenging requirements. This is the KAM Difference.
For 5 years, we have been streamlining operations to maximize efficiency with digital manufacturing solutions. Today, we embrace this digital engineering model with multiple additive and subtractive technologies from great partners like EOS, SLM, Mazak, and Matsura, providing vertically integrated solutions for our customers' manufacturing challenges.
It's with equal parts grace and humility that we have put the customer at the center of everything we do. We surround this with quality in our processes and our exceptional team. The investments we're making today reinforce these values and our pursuit to be the best.
Looking out for our team means looking out for our customers. Precision requires persistence and unwavering attention to detail. One way we're doing this is by installing ESD flooring for enhanced protection of sensitive components. Customers can be assured we'll follow strict protocols for their sensitive part assemblies. We're introducing automatic depowdering systems. Not only does this keep our team safer, but it also enables a focus on higher precision tasks for improved quality, efficiency, and productivity for our customers. We've installed a large format electrical discharge machine. Focused on speed, the use of moly wire technology allows for higher productivity and lights out operations, all to benefit our customers. Automation is key, and not just in the areas that most expect. The CNC automated coolant monitoring system allows our skilled machinists to focus on their craft and keeps our machines healthy without oversight.
The customer is the center of everything we do, so we've responded by adding a new tool to our toolbox, the Velo Sapphire XC.
The XC provides a larger build volume, particularly well suited for our space, aerospace, and defense customers. This printer adds to capacity and extends material options. Another example of KAM going where the customer wants for size and requirements.
At KAM, excellence is the combination of customer expectations, team capability, and manufacturing capacity. In 5 years, KAM has grown from a vision to one of the most respected and trusted advanced manufacturing providers. With this additional growth, look for KAM to take the lead in digital manufacturing for the years to come.